Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to grow tomato plants vertically. Okay, excuse a rotten tomato or a broken tomato in a pot and leave it for a couple of weeks. You will get saplings like this. So as I showed, we have taken this pipe and drilled a few holes in this. Now I'm going to place this pipe in the spot. Put this. Sapling and just keep it like this. You can have each hole, you can have a sapling. Fill the pipe with nice soil. So see that each and every pit hole is nicely packed with soil without any air, because air, if there is air, the plants may die. You can also use a long stick to pack the soil. You can see the soil coming down. Now for the soil to settle down properly, you can see after couple of days. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe.